Hello, it's Bernadette Jansen, and today I'm going to talk about the colour of your taps. So there's always a bit of a temptation to go for some bling because there are so many choices when you're selecting taps for your Reno. But I want to give you some tips to help you with that. Firstly, are you going to be holding the property or are you selling it? Because if you're selling it, you can be a little bit more adventurous, go for something that's a bit more on trend. But if you're holding it, I would suggest that you go for something that is timeless, something like chrome, stainless steel, or even brushed brass. I think is okay in terms of being classical. These days, you don't have the same maintenance issues that we used to have with brass tapware, so I think you can safely install that and feel quite okay about it. Because what you don't want to do if you're holding the property is, 5 years' time, be looking at your bathroom and think, that bathroom would look great, except those taps are really dated. And the other thing is the matte black. I personally think it's had its day. If you're in a not very style savvy area, you can probably get away with it for a bit longer. But generally speaking, I think we're all a bit over it, and so I certainly would not be putting matte black in. The other thing is that I think the market's twigged to the fact that they are high maintenance. They chip and don't look very nice in a very short amount of time. Okay, so the other thing I want to ask you is if you would go up to the button up the top, not sure if it's that side or that side, and subscribe for more tips and for more information about renovating and what it can do for you. You can head over to our website on www.theschoolofrenovating.com. And thanks for watching.